fellas. Today I'm going to react to one of the songs of the movie Vedalam. I have done a lot of transformation reactions of Thala Ajit, and from that I was a great fan. And this is one of the songs which was actually requested to me a lot of times, but because of some other songs were already edited up and uploaded, this was one thing which was left behind. So I think it is now time to just do the reaction this particular video, and many people suggested me this particular song, so I'm going to react to this song. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon so you never miss any update from me. Also, links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook have been given in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so he has already done the entry from the start. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, this might be the earlier look. I mean, the look which is in the past actually. Oh, he is going to dance? Are you serious? Wow. I wasn't knowing this. Wow, absolutely fantastic. We have subtitles for this song, so it is absolutely amazing to see what he's actually saying. Wow, fantastic. There's something Ganpati Visarjan going on, something like that. Please do tell me which festival it is actually. Wow. Oh my god, amazing. Absolutely amazing. He's enjoying the dance with all the people over here. It's also I came to know that Badshah has also sang some few lines in this. Absolutely fantastic. Totally the dance number, yeah. I can totally say it's a dance number. Wow. Oh my god. Absolutely amazing. His whole look is absolutely suiting him. That salt and pepper look with that very little bit of hair and a rowdy look and the rough and tough look. It's absolutely amazing. Suiting him, right. My god. It's a treat to watch Thala Ajit dancing. This is the first time I have ever seen him dancing. I just seen him fighting and transforming in all citizens. This is the first time ever happening. Lovely. It's a totally a power packed video, I can say. Like it's enjoying, and people like it's a chawl or something which some festival is going on, and these people are dancing with that. Do tell me if it is a festival or something in the comments below, so I can know what exactly is going on over here. Nice. The chorus beats and the chorus dances is one of the fantastic things, I can say. Wow. Not bad, huh? Not bad. Absolutely not bad. Superb, man. Superb. The crane is there. See, the crane is there. There might be a festival. Yeah, why do you care, right? Yes, innocent face, yes. He has an innocent face, I can totally say. And the transformation is absolutely amazing of Thala Ajit. Okay, so this is the scene where like he gets hurt from that, right. Yeah, so this particular video, what I have seen and what I'm guessing is like there might be a festival or something like that which they might be celebrating, and that's the reason all these people from the chawl, or particular chawl, that might be celebrating with Thala Ajit, and he might be organizing or something like that, or he's just enjoying over there. I have no idea. Do let me know in the comments below so that I know what exactly the festival is going on, because I have seen this particular scene where he just coming on the road and he gets beat up by the people because he's a little bit drunk at that point of time, if I'm not mistaken. And this song is has been edited out in the Hindi version, because that particular scene when it starts, this song has been edited out, and I wasn't even knowing if this particular song was already in the movie or something like that. And I have seen few transformation scene of Tala Ajit, and it is amazing, absolutely fantastic, as I always say. So this was the song which was totally like out of my mindset that Vedalam sort of the movie might be having any songs, because the story is so gritty, it's so mesmerizing, and it totally keeps you engaging while the whole storyline is being progressing, how things are getting unfolded. So this was particular song which came in between when the past was coming to his mind, and like something sort of that. I have not seen the whole movie, but it's actually a part of the past, the whole past, which he was not a good guy but a bad guy. He was beating up and bashing up all the people and all, and he was taking money for doing that thing. He was like a supari killer or supari person or something like that, which was, I have no idea that much because I've not seen the whole movie, but I was able to make it out with the few scenes which I have reacted upon. So it's been in my Thala Ajit playlist, and it has been given over in the I button somewhere over here. So please do see that. It's amazing, the transformation scenes and this of this particular movie. It's amazing, out of the world. And many new songs and reactions are going to come of Thala Ajit. So like, being a great fan, I'm going to react to it. And yes, I am not being partial to Thala Ajit fans or Thala Ajit songs or Thala Ajit fighting or something like that. It's just that I get the request, and on the basis of that I do my reaction videos. So please don't have any sort of a wrong mindset in your mind. If you suggest to me, I will do that thing too. It's just amount of suggestion, because I have no idea about any of the South Indian movies or songs or reaction or something like that. I have no idea. You need to suggest to me. I will able to see it, I will able to react to it, and then I'll be able to tell you that I am not the person who just does the partial thing. Just suggest to me, I'll do the needful at given point of time as per the timetable, which is already known to a lot of people when I do this reactions. It's a Monday and Thursday, it's actually a song reaction. Tuesday and Friday I do comedy routine reaction, and Wednesday and Saturday is like a fight scene reaction, or normal some great scene reaction, which is hyped a lot for that particular movie, that particular scene, which has been so much requested by the people or something like that, or my subscribers. Let's see, depends upon it. And Saturday, Sunday, I try to do trailer reactions to particular movies that I have not seen, or it has been in the long run. But again, talking about this particular song is like one thing which I was not convinced a bit, that was like the voice of Thala Ajit, which the playback singer was not actually suiting Thala Ajit, because he has a great deep dark voice. Okay, you love his voice when he talks, and this voice, I don't know who sang this particular video. It might be given in the description below. Let me have a look at it. Actually, if it's Anirudh Ravichandran, is that the person who has sung this particular song? I think so. It might be a better version. It might be someone might be better. This is little bit. I think so. The voice was young, and the look of Thala Ajit was a little bit old to suit that particular song. So yeah, and again I said that it was totally suiting the lines are totally suiting it, what he said, that innocent people have living in the cruel world. So, and it was actually suiting the whole storyline, so it is absolutely fantastic. And again, it was a Chawl area, and he was enjoying the song with all the people over there. As I told you, I don't know which festival was going on. Please do let me know in the comments. And it was a celebration or something, and he was enjoying, and the steps which he used to do is one of the things which easily anyone can do, and anyone can pick it up when you're dancing on the street and doing a Ganpati Visarjan dance or something like that. So this was it. This was the reaction. I hope you liked it. I really enjoyed this particular song, and please do suggest me more of the video, something like this. I would really love to react to it. And it's not about just Thala Ajit. It is like about anyone, anything. I would be really open to react to any of the videos. So before going, I would like to request you to give a big thumbs up to this particular video, so I can be motivated and inspired to do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and give description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys too. Until next reaction, next trailer, next review, I would request you to stay connected.